In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online. This process is incredibly useful for streamlining your accounting practices, whether you're handling monthly invoices or regular payments. Let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Start by clicking on the Sign In button on the QuickBooks Online homepage. Once there, select QuickBooks Online from the options available. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, which include your username and password. After you've typed these in, click on Continue to access your account dashboard. With your dashboard open, head over to the Transactions tab. This is where you'll be able to manage all your financial entries. From the Transactions tab, locate and click on Recurring Transactions. This is the section where you can manage all your recurring entries, whether they be expenses, invoices, or journal entries. Once you're in the recurring transactions section, you'll notice a button labeled New. Click on this button to begin setting up a new recurring transaction. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll set up a recurring invoice, so go ahead and select Invoice under Transaction Type. This step is crucial because it determines the kind of recurring entry you'll be creating. After selecting invoice, a confirmation window might pop up. If so, simply click on OK to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to name your template. Be sure to choose something that clearly describes the transaction, as this name will easily help you identify it later among other templates. Now it's time to set the type as scheduled. This option ensures your transactions occur automatically at specified intervals. At this point, you'll need to indicate how many days in advance the transaction should be created. This can be a handy option if you need some lead time for planning or review. The next step is adding the customer to whom the invoice will be sent. Choose the appropriate name from your customer list, or add a new customer if needed. Following that, decide on the start date and end date for this recurring entry. This defines the active period during which these transactions will recur. You'll also need to specify the product or service that is being billed. Select from your existing product list or quickly add new items as necessary. This specificity ensures accurate billing and inventory tracking. Finally, once you have completed all the fields and reviewed their accuracy, hover over the Save Template button and click it. By doing so, you finalize and save your recurring transaction. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a recurring invoice in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, managing your finances can be much more streamlined and efficient. Remember to revisit this template to make any necessary adjustments as your business needs evolve. Thanks for tuning in and happy accounting.